Right, now if you look here, we're going from the tower door over to where this thing is broken. Just where the lightning conductor is up there, that's where it seems to have split. Now, did it damage any of the roof as it fell down? I can't see that it has. And I can't see whether it's damaged anything down there without climbing over the top, which I have no intention of doing. Right, so here we are. There's the small tower on top of the big tower. Then 1, 2, 3, it's the middle one, and you can see at the top there.